Hey everyone, it's Deborah. Welcome to Daisy Deb Crafts. I have a few things that I purchased today that I want to show you from Dollar General. And I'm planning on using these in some upcoming projects. So let me show you real quick. They have new tags, new to me anyway. I don't recall seeing these before. Let me back out real quick. I don't recall seeing these, but they're cute, and I think they'll be great on tea favors or whatever. And there's 12 to each one, so, and then this one has 12. I thought they were very cute. And then these can be used on a variety of projects. And then these are cute. And then I did get 2 of those. And then I did get 25 clear bags. Those were $1. All of those things that I just showed you were $1. I did find hand sanitizer. I use this all the time. This is in cranberry sage. It's on the dollar aisle in Dollar General. And I found these lip balms. I'm making lip balm holders. I'm making lip balm holders. And those will go in there. So they're 50 cents each. Vanilla bean and coconut cream. And then this pack is coconut and pear. And then I picked up a couple of little signs. These were $1. And they're pretty heavy duty. So I plan on using those for sure. And then I did pick this up. You know what I'm going to make out of that. Anyway. Maybe. You'll see next week what I'm going to make out of it. So a lot of this stuff is for projects, upcoming projects for the YouTube channel, of course. Okay, and then let me show you what I picked up at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had these great square cookie boxes. And let me show you the back of them. This 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 by 3 inches, and I just see that you can use that for packaging cookies, of course, but also for different projects that I'm going to use them for, and you'll see next week. Anyway, if you watch the channel. And then they had that size, which is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 by 3 inches square, and then this size, which is 8 inches by 5 inches by 2.75, and it has a little deer. Let me open them so you can see what they look like real quick. They even come with a little sticker. So, oh, and they do have the cellophane cover. Let me see. Is there just one? No, there's 2 pieces. So, yeah, there's 2 of them in here. So they're kind of a little flimsy, guys. So I don't know if this is going to work. I will probably have to reinforce it for it to work. But they would be great for cookies for sure, guys. So I won't open the other one. They're pretty flimsy. I'm going to tell you that right now. You may want to back them up, unless you're doing them for cookies, and they should be fine. Okay. And then they had these little treat bags, the Santa treat bags that I plan on using for an upcoming project. And then they had these books. So I'm actually going to use the inside. Oh, I didn't notice it's sewn. I may actually alter these instead, but they're sewn. That's awesome. I was going to take the pages out and use them in another journal, but now that I know this, I am going to alter them instead. So we'll do a video on how to alter these for sure. And there's 6 inches by 8 inches. So 6 inches across by 8 inches. So you can use a 12 by 12 sheet of paper to alter these. That's going to be nice. Okay. Those were, I believe, $1.25. I'm not sure. Okay, guys. I don't know why, but I saw them and I had to have them. Strawberry shortcake. But then I also saw these things. They don't match exactly, but they're close. And I am going to use those in a project for sure. And then I found another little notebook. This one I will actually probably remove the pages and use it for a journal and cut it down. Okay. And then, let's see what else. What else did I get? Found the prayer cards. I did get 2 packs of those. Yes. Prayer cards. And I plan on making something super neat out of these. Stay tuned for that project. Oh my gosh, I got a lot of stuff going on. And then I found candy canes. Going to use those for a project as well. And then I found this cute little tray in the office supply section, and I think it's great for putting, you know, projects that I'm working on to help me organize. It's great. Okay. And then I did find Mike and Ike socks, and then Mike and Ike candy. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in a future project. And then I found hot tamales and hot tamales. You know where I'm going with this, right? Probably. Anyway, and then I found charms and charm socks. So they don't exactly match, but they're close enough. They're good. And then I found laces, but no socks for those. And then I did find the moisturizing hand spray in the new scents, the champagne and sugar plum. That's all I found. It was at the register if you collect those. And then I found a pillowcase with a gingerbread baking. I'm going to make a pillow out of this for sure. And you'll see that. It's been done before on YouTube for sure. But anyway, that's what I got. A bunch of stuff and a bunch of stuff to make projects with. You guys have a great weekend and happy Thanksgiving if I don't hear from you, or you know, you don't listen to a video from me between now and Thanksgiving. But have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye everyone.